gardens on level 3 are particularly lovely this morning, citizen.
Thank you. I appreciate the recommendation.
Accessing the latest projections now. The data suggests a 7% increase in efficiency.
Confirmed. The energy models reflect the change immediately.
This food is incredible, and the view is just breathtaking.
I know, I could stay here all day.
Energy is no longer extracted from the planet. It is harvested in harmony with it. This food is incredible.
And the view from this terrace is even better.
Sustainable living never tasted so good.
Food is grown where people live. Fresh, clean, local. Hunger becomes a problem of the past.
The planet begins to heal. Oceans recover. Life returns.